In this video, I'll show you how to create a Roblox group. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, when it comes to creating a group on Roblox, if you look right here, you can't see anything like group. You can only find the communities, right? And you can actually create a community. I think I made a video about that on my channel, so go watch through how you can actually create a community. You can just do that, right? This is it. You click on this create community. You can create it, but for you to be able to create a group, you at first need to have 100 Roblox right here. So you need to get some Roblox for yourself. I think 100 or 200 for you to be able to create a group. Now click on this create. Once you click on the create, it's going to take us to our creators hub, that is a creator studio, where you can be able to create your own Roblox group for yourself. So this is our creators hub, right? This is our creators hub here on Roblox. And for you to be able to create a group, what you're going to do right now, you can see this viewers right here. Click on it. You can see the create group, right? Click on the create group and it's gonna open up. So upload an image, group name, description. I can come on here in the name. I can say how to edu description. I can come on here and type in entrepreneurship. Then I'll upload an image. Yeah, click on this, open. And remember, at first I told you guys you'd be needing 100 Roblox for you to be able to successfully create a group here on Roblox. So this is it. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. Let me know if you guys find this video helpful. I really appreciate for you guys watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.